Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video of administrative law, we are going to examine the modern conception of the rule of law. Basically, Dicey conceptions of rule of law was found to have some weaknesses and wanting in some ways. That is why we have a more nuanced approach dubbed as the modern concept of the rule of law. So we will examine ideas surrounding the modern conception of the rule of law. This modern conception was developed by the International Commission of Jurists. It was known as the Delhi Declaration, which took place in 1959. It was later confirmed at Lagos in 1961. According to this formulation, recognition of civil and political rights is an important part of rule of law. Therefore, each government that claims to exercise the rule of law should recognize civil and political rights of everyone. Secondly, the conception by the International Commission of Jurists of rule of law says that the functions of the government in a free society should be exercised to create conditions in which the dignity of man or as an individual is upheld. So we see where the rule of law goes hand in hand with dignity of man. Therefore, in a lawful society, we have what we call a dignity of human being. It emphasizes, or emphasis is placed on the independence of the judiciary. Remember, in any dispensation, in many dispensations, the judiciary is tasked with the role of interpreting the law. So when we have an independent judiciary, that simply means that we will be having justice, because the law will be interpreted in the right way. The fourth conception of International Commission of Jurists on rule of law is that it is important for a government to be effective. In places where the government is effective, then the rule of law is there. So this is the conception of the International Commission of Jurists of rule of law. Additionally, Davis, a scholar, gives 7 principal meanings of the rule of law. Let's look at them. The first one, he talks about law and order. Here we are looking at both the letter and spirit of the law being present in any principality. We are also talking about the concept of order. Secondly, he talked about fixed rules. For example, we may have fixed rules through constitutions. That he talks about the elimination of discretion. I think what he's trying to say is the misuse of discretion should be eliminated. And fourth, we have a due process of law, or what may be termed as fairness. 5, we have principles of natural justice, or in other words, the law of nature. 6, we have judicial review of administrative action. 7, we have preference for judge and ordinary courts to make law, or other to make decisions regarding to law other than arbitrary authority from administrative bodies. So he's talking about court system and the importance of letting the courts do their work without an seasonable interference. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.